Kayeng syari Meghalaya High Court akan kendai tarik urempang arah jarak pun riau kalakan thok Tyngeh Tnad Synshar bertihek Pulit jeng distrik EJHills. Halor ke Jingbthei Dynamite akan weka kerem dau yong bean hakatan mensnat thangsko kebelah shim ke jing jong i arpun yongwet kinong trek. Kayeng syari kala shim ke Moto ban kota jeriu Deputy Commissioner Manish Kumar batu Superintendent King Pulit Vikash Kumar. Bakin wan mi dala dia ban pensyai ba kumno kini ke jing lebean kadang peteng hapedeng ke jing perking. Kayeng syari kelapa ek hukum ke Tyngeh ban kem no kloi ki trai juki pardau yong bat bakan omdan kano ke jing map ikip dan keti hakin rekam kabala shim ke jing jong kini kinong bela. Habagran beginong patay kubor hadian belami ke Kayeng syari Superintendent ki Pulit Vikash Kumar leto bagajik toket kadang ya cekmat. Bat Ladon ru kibrio ba kilayo ban kem. Laban kedohong ni ba kenhuan jong National Disaster Response Force, ke State Disaster Response Force bat ke Special Rescue Team. Kidang yakun Tyngeh hakatan mensngat thangsko. Wala haka pratarik jong rempang am shim layo ban sei kano kemet mereka jingwat kadang peteng haduk pakai tarik jong rempang ru. Superintendent ki Pulit ula penskam ba ketenat Pulit kan shim ki senjam ki Tyngeh nang banyak ban kem ikut badan keti bat ban yok ban wanra ekohok. Laban kedauhang ni bau menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan bena ba kesorkar kelarai bentong ya ke Judicial Inquiry Commission hapo ke Commission of Inquiry Act. Kini kekenhuan kan tokit benia ay bero kitenrai jong ni kejingja ke basmosi tang ban lap ya ke jing shisha.
In connection with the illegal coal mining blast that happened on the 5th of February, and the Honorable High Court had taken the cognizance, and the DC and SP of East EJHills were called for personal appearance. In that connection, we had come to the Honorable High Court, and we'll be, since the matter is sub judice, at this stage, we cannot say much. We'll be doing our bit that is required, and search and rescue operation is still ongoing. The investigation in those cases, in the case, is ongoing. We have made arrest, and it is going in right direction, and I'm sure that we'll bring it to the logical conclusion. We'll be getting the order by evening, so after that only we'll be able to say that which date appearance will be there. As of now, yeah, yesterday also it was there. We could not recover any body yesterday, and today also the search and rescue operation is still ongoing. It will depend on the teams that are deployed there in the area, SDRF, special rescue team that are there. At the same time, we will take the considered decision subsequently, because we have to see the terrain and everything.